Hello, this is Chris from Palatech, and in this video we are going to learn how to make a multi-language site on Wix. To do that, we are going to the top where it says Edit Site. We are going to click on that. There we go. Now we are on our site, and to add the multi-language function we need to go to Settings and select Multilingual. There we go. Now translate your site into another language. We are going to select my site is written on English. We can change it here. And I want to translate into, and for the example we are going to use Spanish. And here we can choose the flag of the Spanish speaking countries. We can make Spanish visible now, and we can select to auto translate using the Google Translator for our content. And we'll be able to review and edit the translation before publishing. So we are going to click on continue. There we go. Now we go to continue to site, and if we select Spanish, we have a quick traduction of this site on Spanish. And we have our language menu, and we can edit it a bit, select it to show on the menu item nicely. So there we go. And if we click on it, we can edit it a bit. There we go. Now we can, if we select it, we can edit it a bit. We're going to manage menu, and we can select the languages we have to our in our menu, and we can select to edit the layout, the type of menu, to show flags, the type of flag we want to show, the size, how the language is displayed, and how are the menus aligned. And we can select the design, and we can change it here to the different types of menus we have available. And when we select one, we can click and customize design, and here we can change the usual things: background, separators, the borders, the corners. We can give it a radius to the menu if we want, add some shadow, change the text with the usual things, color, paragraph, the theme, fonts, size, and we can give it some effects and unhover the color and the on click when it's selected as well. There we go. Now what we can do also is that if we go to settings and select my dashboard, there we go, and if we go to the left bar, we have an option of multilingual. We click on that, and here we can select to add a few more languages, select to hide the languages we have created, or to delete them, change the flag, or change the regional setting. And we can select to automatically show your site to visitors in the browser language by clicking on the auto redirect. So that's it. We have learned how to create a multi-language site in Wix in a quick and easy manner. If you like the video, subscribe to our channel and share with a friend who might need help on the sites. See you the next time on Palatech.